Welcome to Farmsteading with Susie's Secret Recipes. My name is Susie Hyde, and my channel focuses on the simple joys of country living. Join me as I take you on a journey and show you how to embrace the beauty of nature, gardening, preserving food, baking, raising chickens, creating your own household and hygiene products, and so much more for both family and sale. So growing up as an Okie from Oklahoma, my parents taught us kids to always keep Jesus in our hearts and then just to enjoy the simple things in life. So I have brought everything that I've learned from my childhood and brought it into my household. And so guys, I hope you enjoy my channel. And so sit back and let's just keep it country simple. So as you can see, I am getting lots of eggs every day. My hens that were hatched back in September are now laying eggs. Some of them are still a little small, but I'm getting quite a bit every day. And so I sell my eggs, but I'm kind of waiting for some of these to get a little bit bigger before I sell them. So what I'm going to do is go through and I'm going to glass some of the eggs. I'm going to go through and get the ones that are clean. What I mean by clean is I haven't washed them, but they don't have any gunk or anything on them. They're just pretty clean, as you can see. And so I'm going to go through them and I'm going to glass them. And I use my glassed eggs. I have been doing this for years, and gosh, they'll last for a couple of years. I usually end up using them before a year's up in the winter time. And I like to use them for baking, and I use them for egg washes and even scrambling eggs. I wouldn't recommend doing a hard egg or trying to do a boiled egg with it. Once it's glassed, it's preserved and it's still good, but sometimes the yolk may not be as firm as it is like if I was to crack this right now. It'd be a little bit soft. So trying to fry an egg doesn't work really well, but like I said, baking, use them for like an egg wash is usually what I end up using them for. And I do a lot of baking during the fall and winter months. And so I usually go through my glassed eggs pretty quickly. But I start making them now. By December and January, I will have used all of my glassed eggs. I usually do about 3 to 4 jars, and then I use a lot of eggs, and then I do sell them. So what I'm going to do is take 2 heaping tablespoons of pickling lime. I'm going to put it into a quart jar. I'm going to fill it with room temperature water. Stir it. And then I'm going to start putting my eggs into my jar. So that one looks clean. So we keep putting eggs in. I usually can get about 18, sometimes 20, depending on the egg. No. Go, and then I'm going to put the lid on it. And I'm going to just put it in with the rest of my canned goods in there, and I'll be using this this coming winter. As you can see, I ended up. I like to ferment lemon, garlic, and honey. We use it. I use it every day. I'll take like a tablespoon of it. It's good for allergies and for sinuses. It doesn't cure it, but it definitely helps. I have chronic sinusitis, and I can definitely tell the difference. And so this is something that I make. Well, when we run out, I'm doing another one. And so all you do is you cut up lemon. I think I used 2 lemon there. And you can either cut your garlic clove in half, or you can mash them however you want to do it. And I just put them in there, and I pour local honey over the top. Don't have to use local honey. I just have some on hand, and I think it probably has more of an effect on it if you can get local honey. And then I place a fermenting lid on top and let it ferment for at least a week. If you can let it set for a little bit longer, it's better. Enjoyed the video today, then please give me a thumbs up and put it in the comments. And thank you guys for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't, then please click the subscribe button below and the notification bell, and it will notify you when I'm going to be having another video. And so I will see you next Wednesday at 4 o'clock for another episode of Susie's Secret Recipes. And so may God bless you and happy trails.